Hi guys, I'm going to show you some exercises to do with water bottles that we made during the sensory video. So here we go. The first one is the overhead press. I'm going to kneel down here so you can see me a little better. We're going to push straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one I'm going to show you is a bicep curl. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want to make sure you do both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also have the tricep curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next ones I'm going to show you are ab and adduction. We're going to start out at the side. Make sure I don't hit my lamp here. Come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next one is a row. You can do the seated or standing. You're going to pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the final one is a forward press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try again. 1, 2, all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 1, all the way out. 2,